नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य तिङन्तप्रक्रियायाः 30 पाठः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। प्रत्ययसिद्धिः अधीयते। तत्र लट् लङ् लोट् लकाराणां प्रत्ययानां सिद्धिः अधीता। अद्य विधिलिङ्लकारस्य प्रत्ययानां सिद्धिं पश्यामः। ततः पूर्वं किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं। लट्लकारे परस्मैपदेषु विशिष्य किमपि कार्यं नास्ति। झोन्तः इत्यनेन झकारस्य अन्तादेशः। सकारान्तेषु प्रत्ययेषु ऋत्वविसर्गौ ति तः अन्ति सि थः थ मि वः मः इत्येते प्रत्ययाः। आत्मनेपदेषु पुनः झोन्तः इति झकारस्य अन्तादेशः। सर्वेषु प्रत्ययेषु टित आत्मनेपदानां टेरे इत्यनेन टि सम्यकस्य एत्वं विधीयते। तदपवादत्वेन थासः से थास् इत्यस्य से सर्वादेशः। विशिष्य अदन्तानाम् अङ्गानां यत्र अङ्गम् अदन्तं तत्र तस्मात् परस्य आकारस्य इय् आदेशः विधीयते। तत्र यकारस्य लोपो व्योर्वलि इत्यनेन लोपे इताम् इथाम् इति। सो ते एत्वे ते इते अन्ते से इथे द्वे ए वहे महे इति आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः लट्लकारे। लङ्लकारे तु विशिष्य प्रत्ययादेशाः त्रयः उच्यन्ते। तस्थस्थमिपां तां तं तामः। साक्षादादेशाः तसः तां थसः तं थस्य त मेः अम् इति चत्वारः आदेशाः। नित्यं ङितः इत्यनेन सकारान्तस्य उत्तमपुरुषप्रत्ययस्य लोपः सकारलोपः व म। इतश्च इत्यनेन इकारान्तस्य प्रत्ययस्यापि लोपः अन्त्यस्य लोपः त स अन्त्। झि झोन्तः इति अन्तादेशे अन्ति इतश्च इति इकारलोपे अन्त्। संयोगान्तस्य लोपः इत्यनेन तकारलोपे अन्। त ताम् अन् स तं त अम् व म इति प्रत्ययाः। लङ्लकारे आत्मनेपदे तु विशिष्य कार्यं किमपि नास्ति। झोन्तः इति अन्तादेशः थासि ऋत्वविसर्गौ। आताम् आथाम् इत्यनयोः आतोङितः इति इयादेशः लोपो व्योर्वलि इति यलोपः इताम् इथाम्। त इताम् अन्त थाः इथाम् ध्वम् इ वहि महि इति लङ्लकारस्य प्रत्ययाः। ततः लोट्लकारः। लोट्लकारे एकं प्रमुखं सूत्रमस्ति लोटो लङ्वत्। लङ्लकारे यथा प्रत्ययादेशाः तयेव आदेशाः लोट्लकारेऽपि दृश्यन्ते। तस्थस्थमिपां तां तं तामः इत्यनेन त्रयाणाम् आदेशः तां तं त। वस्मसोः नित्यं ङितः इति सकारलोपः व म। विशिष्य लोट्लकारस्य सूत्राणि सन्ति। एरुः इकारस्य स्थाने उकारादेशः ति इति तु भवति। तु ताम् झोन्तः इत्यनेन अन्ति इति स्थिते एरुः इति उत्वे अन्तु तु ताम् अन्तु। सि इत्यत्र सेर्ह्यपिच्च इत्यनेन हि इत्यादेशः। सि इस् रिप्लेस्ड् बै हि। अतो हेहे अदन्तादङ्गात् परस्य हेहे लुक् स्यात् इत्यनेन तस्य लोपः। So he is deleted. So you don't have a pratyaya part in madhyama purusha ekavachana. Tam ta tasthasthamipam tam tam tamaha iti adeshah. Tu tam antu kimapi nasti tam ta. उत्तम पुरुषे तु मेर् निः मी इत्यस्य स्थाने नि इति आदेशः वस्मसोः नित्यं ङितः इति सलोपः. So we have नि व म त्रिषु अपि आडुत्तमस्य पिच्च इत्यनेन आट् आगमः. So आनि आव आम इति प्रत्ययाः. Excuse me, just a moment please. So lot lakara parasmaipara pratyayah tu tam antu tam ta ani ava ama. There's a question here. So last class you mentioned that mernihi and eruhu are apavada to itascha. Would serhya picha also similarly be an apavada? Mernihi is an apavada to tasthasthamipam tam tam tamaha, because that is the one which would have operated there. Eruhu is an apavada to itascha. Serhya picha is an apavada to eruhu, because I mean overcoming itascha, it is eruhu which should have operated in C also. Serhya picha is an apavada to eruhu. लोट्लकारे आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययेषु यथा लट्लकारे तथैव कार्याणि. Right? So we first do the prakriya for the latlakara. We get te, ite, ante, se, ithe, dve, e, vahe, mahe. So what we have done is tita atmane padanam tere, thasasse, jhontaha in jhi, and also atongitaha and lopovi orvali and ite, ithe. So all those ones we are ready with the atmanepara pratyayas of the latlakara. Ametaha converts the ekara to am. Tam, itam, antam, itham. In se and dhve, samabhyam vamau. So se ityatra sva, dhve ityatra dhvam. Ekarasya sthane va am iti adeshau. उत्तमपुरुषे तु एत ऐ इत्यनेन एकारस्य ऐकारः आडुत्तमस्य पिच्च इत्यनेन आडागमः. So you have ऐ आ ऐ आटश्च इति वृद्धौ ऐ आवहै आमहै. ताम् इताम् अन्ताम् स्व इथाम् ध्वम् ऐ आवहै आमहै इति प्रत्ययाः. So we had an exercise last class for the lotlakara forms. We will look at probably 5 or 6 of them in class today, because we still have the vidhiling lakara to study. We'll look at 5 or 6 and then I'll put up the answers in the website so you can look at them. If you have any questions for any particular forms, of course you can ask now. Okay, so we'll probably do the first 5 of it. So anybody who is Nitish Chandra? Yes. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. Speak up a bit louder. There is some background noise, I guess.
Okay. Now?
Yeah, you can tell.
Prayasva,
Hmm.
Praidhati,
Hmm.
Viloplकारः,
Hmm.
आत्मनेपदी,
Hmm.
मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्।
Hmm.
त्रयं पालने,
Hmm.
उत्सम्यकं कृत्वा त्रयं,
Hmm.
उत्सम्यसूत्रेण त्रयं लो,
Hmm.
उत्सम्यकं कृत्वा त्रयं लो,
Hmm.
उत्ससूत्रेण तत्र अनुदात्तम् आत्मनेपदम् इति सूत्रेण त्रयं हास्,
Hmm.
त्रयं शप् हास् वैकर्तरिषम्,
Hmm.
त्रयं हास् वन
Hmm.
हासस्य त्रयं हास् से
Hmm.
समाप्तं मामू त्रयं हास्व
Hmm.
केशवमया प्रायस्व।
Yes, thank you. The dhatu is traing, palane. So you have trai and lot, madhyama purusha ekavachana pratyaya. So trai a thas, thasase you have trai a se, savabhyam vamau. So trai a swa, echo ayavayavaha, trayasva. Okay. Ananta Krishnan.
नमस्ते
Ah.
हन्ताबीरीः
Hmm.
स्मरतु स कथं संवृतो नागरीभिः
Hmm.
स्मरतु इति
Hmm.
स्मृ चिन्तायां
Hmm.
आध्याने च इति अपि दत्तमस्ति
Hmm.
स्मृ
Hmm.
लोट् च इत्यनेन सूत्रेण स्मृ लोट्
Hmm.
हलन्त्यम् उपदेशय जनुनासिकयत् इत्यनेन स्मृ लृ
Hmm.
लस्य तिबादयः
Hmm.
स्मृ तत्र स्मरतु इति अस्ति तिप् भवति
Hmm.
स्मृ तिप्
Hmm.
अनन्तरं कर्तरि शप् इत्यनेन सूत्रेण स्मृ शप्
Hmm.
तिप् तत्रापि पकारस्य लोपः भवति हलन्त्यम् इत्यनेन सूत्रेण
Hmm.
दशकृततिदे हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः इत्यनेन सूत्रेण स्मृ अ ति
Hmm.
सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुकयोः
Hmm.
इत्यनेन सूत्रेण स्मर् अति
Hmm.
गुणः भवति
Hmm.
अनन्तरं एरुः इत्यनेन सूत्रेण
Hmm.
इकारस्य उकारः
Hmm.
स्मरतु इति
Samyak. So you have the smr dhatu, smr ati, angakaryam gunaha, igantatvat sarvadhatukarddhatukayoh iti gunaha, urandraparaha iti raparaha, smr ati, eruhu ityanena tipaha ikarasya ukaradeshe smaratu. Okay. So Anjana.
Namaste. Can you hear me?
Yes.
निरामयं कृष्णरसायनं पिब. पिब is the lot lakara padam. मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनरूपं. धातु पा पाने अनिट् आदिगण इट्स् अ विकारी धातु. कोऽपि प्राकृतिककार्याणि नास्ति अत्र. लोट् च इति सूत्रेण पा लोट् उपदेशनासिकयित् हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः पा ल लस्य पिबादय मध्यमपुरुषरूपं सिप् पा सिप् हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः पा सि कर्तरि शप् पा शप् सि लशक्वतद्धिदे तस्य लोपः पा अ सि पाग्राध्मा स्थाम्ना इति सूत्रेण पा इति स्थाने पिब् इति रूपम् आदेशः भवति. पिब् अ सि. तदनन्तरं सेर्ह्यपिच्छ इति सूत्रेण पिब् अ हि इति भवति. अतो हेः इति सूत्रेण तस्य हि इत्यस्य लोपः भवति. पिब् अ पिब.
सम्यक्. So pa dhatuhu, you have pa, a and si. Dhatohu angakaryam pibadeshah. Shiti pare angakaryam pib a si. Sehe serhya picha iti hi. Ato hehe iti hehe luk. Piba iti rupam. Yes, I'm sorry about the meaning of sentences. I think the first one is very clear. Trayasva is protect. Keshava Lokanatha Govinda etc. The second one, Hanta Abhirihi Smaratu Saha Katham Samvrataha Nagaribhihi. It is the lament of a gopi. He says, Abhirihi Saha Nama Krishnaha Nagaribhihi Samvrataha, who is surrounded by the very fashionable women of the city. Abhirihi Katham Smaratu. How can he remember us who are villagers or crude women like us? So it's just a sarcastic statement by a gopi. Hanta abhirihi smaratu saha katham smaratu. How can he remember? Third one is from the Mukundamala. Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Piba. Drink, it's not the black pepper, it is the Krishna itself is, himself is called the Rasayana. The Rasayana called Krishna, or the name of Krishna. So drink it for Niramayam. Amaya is diseases. So Niramaya is health. Okay, for the absence of diseases. Next one, okay, Jayatat Samskritavani Madhura. Very clear. Okay, so next one, Aruna.
Can I do it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Jayatat is the verb. Ji is the dhatu. Jaye, Bhavadigana, Anit, Padam. Ji plus lot. G before the G plus tip, G plus load, G plus shop plus T, Angakaryam, G becomes J plus R plus T, J plus T, Eruhu, T is replaced by Ukara, Jayatu.
But the form is Jayatat. Sorry.
Then Tu is replaced by Tat, by Tu. Satat.
Tuhyos tatang ashishyanyatarasya. So that's it. So mainly, what was did you tell the sutra for lot lakara? Sorry, I didn't notice.
I didn't say lot.
Yeah. So lot lakara, the thing is we have to do the lakara by Ashishiling Lotau, because this Tatadesha will be done only if it is in Ashirartha. Right. So,
Okay.
yeah, thank you. Okay. So, Lot Lakara here, like mostly we do it by Lot Cha, but here if there is Tat, we have to do it by Ashishiling Lotau. So, I have G, A, and T. सार्वधातुकार्धधातुकयोः इति गुणः एचोयवायावः जयति एरुः जयतु तुह्योस्तातङ् आशिष्यन्यतरस्यां जयतात्. Okay. Okay. Next one, Paul.
Okay, so aswastha, bhartadarika, dehi, tvara vahai. So princess, I think it's the princess is ill. Come quickly.
Yes.
Okay, and so we have nitvarang. Actually, I found nitvaram, and it was some Rame, Bavari Ganaha state, Manepadi Lord, Uttama Purushaha, Dvivachana. Twara Adirnito Davaha, Halantyam, Upadeshyam Raska it, Askalopaha.
Halantyam, where is the hal?
Yeah, I said I found it with a makar at the end. I wasn't sure.
Where?
Yeah.
Really? It should be
some dhatu pada.
Maybe a mistake for the Anunasika. It is Itvara. Akara is Anunasika.
Yeah.
So there is.
Yeah. Okay. So then that's not there. Okay. And then Twara Lot for Lotcha. And Twara La Upadeshe Janasika Ita Halantyam Tasya Lopaha. So Twara La. Twara Vahi. Tiptash ji siptasta mitvasmas ta tamja tasa tam dvam id vahimahing. And we get vahi. And so twara shak vahi kati shak. Twara a vahi lashakvatadite halantyam tasilopaha. Twara vahi lot loto langvat. Tita at mene padanam tere. So we get twara vahe. And then twara vahai, eta ai. So twara vahai, eta ai, and then twara vahai, at utamat shapitcha, adyantau takitau, alantyam tasyalopaha.
And this is one more straight. Twara avahai. So you have to do savarna dirgha. Adutamasya pitcha brings in akara.
I missed that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I wanted to use that sutra. I'm going to use it right there. All right.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you. So you have Twara, A, and Vahi. So the Pratyaya gets Eta I, sorry, Titatmane Pradhanam Tere, and then Eta I, and Adagama. So it becomes Avahai. Twara Avahai. Akasavarne Dirghaha Twaravahai. Okay. So Ehi is also Lot Lakara, but we have not done Ehi yet. It is not the dhatu of this Gana. So we will do it sometime later. Okay. So we'll do just one more probably. And then there are a few questions. Just a few seconds. So Twaravahai, the dhatu is Nitvara. Ni is in the beginning, which goes by Adirnyatadavaha. Nitvara is the dhatu. Okay, so there's one more question. Based on Sutra Krama, how can we tell that Savabhyam Vamau applies only to Atmanepada and not Parasmaipada? Well, you cannot tell that, but in the Parasmaipada, we don't find Ekara next to Sakara or Vakara, right? So, it doesn't apply. It doesn't have to specifically be to Atmanepada, but we don't have a ekara following sakara or vakara in any other thing, even Parasmapada, so we will not use it. So there is also one more question. Why is it tatang and not tat in tuhyos tatang ashishyana tarasya? So why was the adesha not just tat? Why is it tatang? So it prevents, the nit prevents guna occurring in cases where we don't have this vikarana. Say in a case like bru dhatu, you have bru tat. So there is no guna because it is nit. Otherwise there should have been guna, which happens in case like bravitu. Okay. So in so that to prevent that guna we have the nit, which is brutat. Okay. There's one more question. Linglotav, I guess Ashishi Linglotav seems to apply only for Parasmaipada, or you mean to say the Loto Langvat? Loto Langvat says it is like Lang Lakara, but yes, it applies only in Parasmaipada because there are no specific sutras for Lang Lakara in Atmanepada. There is no sutra for the Lang Lakara Pratyaya. The Pratyayas remain as it is. So yes, Loto Langvata effectively applies only in Parasmaipada. Okay. So okay, so there was one more question regarding what I said about Tatang. So by Sthani Vadbhava, won't Pitva apply to Tat as well because original Tip is Pit? Well, yes, I mean Tip is Pit, so this would have been Pit. If it is Pit, there has to be Guna. So to prevent that, there is Nit. So being Pit by Sthani Vadbhava will not prevent being Nit by itself. Okay, so the question, inevitable question which we were just discussing. So Tatang, I said, is Nit. So why should we not apply Nicha? Nicha is the Adesha which governs Adesha. We have Alontyasya, Nicha, Adeh Parasya, Anekalshit Sarvasya. So Nit Adesha is supposed to be an Antyadesha by Nicha. So how does it replace the whole of Tu and He, and why not the ending of it? So as we discussed, the prayojana for Nit in this context is Guna Nishedha. Okay, that is the purpose with which it has been made Nit. So since it has already found a purpose, the Ngakara being there has already found a purpose. So we don't use it for the Adesha, deciding the Adesha, because even after removing the Ngakara, the Adesha is still Anekal. So we use Anekal Chit Sarvasya to make it a Sarvadesha. The purpose of Nit has already been served by some other cases. In cases where Nicha is used for Antadesha, the Nit does not have the other purpose. Okay. So are there any other questions regarding any other prayogas, things in the exercise? Because I know, I mean, quite a few have volunteered, but in the view of time, as I said, we are not doing all the questions today. If you have any questions regarding a specific exercise, you can ask. There is one which does what is the dhatu in Sangajhadvam Samvadadvam. So the dhatu is the usual, the Gam dhatu and the Vad dhatu. The only special thing is that they get the Atmanepada by a sutra. I said the general sutras for Atmanepada, Parasmaipada are Anudattangita Atmanepadam, Swaritantah Kartabhipraye Kriyaphale, and Sheshat Kartari Parasmaipadam. But there is one whole section of about 80 sutras which changes the pada because of whatever the reasons, based on different what do you say, different nimitta. So the nimitta can either be an upasarga or it can be a particular meaning. Okay, so in case of Sangachadvam, so there is Samo Gamirichi Prachi, Svaratyarthi Shru Vidibhyaha. So that gives the sum when it is followed by gum. I mean gum when it is preceded by the sum upasarga, it gets Atmanepada. So for Vad it is just a second. I don't remember. So all the sutras for the Padavyataya are found in the 1-3. Okay. So there is Vada here, so it is Bhasanopasam. Can you hear me? There is the connection lost. Hello? Okay. So the Samogami is 1-3-29, Samogami Richi, etc. So this is probably Bhasanopasambhasha Jnanayatna Vimattipamantraneshu Vadaha. So that gives the Atmanepada for Vad. Right. Okay, so were there other questions? Vanchata is simple. Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana. Dhavani is Uttama Purusha Abhivardhetam. Shikshai Karshatam. Ichhama. Swastyastu Vishwasya Khalah Prasidatam. It should be Prasidatu, which is usually the Parasmaipadi, but as we see that we see the Padavyatya in many cases. So even without the niyama, there are certain niyamas which change the padas, but especially in the older works like the Gita or the Ramayana Mahabharata, we find a lot of cases where there is a different pada which is used even without any particular rule. Okay. Yes, Vasuji.
Namaste. Vyaktavacham Samucharane is the sutra you mentioned for Vada getting the Atmane Padam. That
is also this, but that is not the word which applies in this case probably. It says Vyaktavacham Samucharane Samvadatham, possibly. Yeah. I'm not sure if it is that or the previous one, the Bhasanopasambhasha. I'll look at it and let you know what's the context.
Thank you. Thank you.
One more question is Sri the dhatu for Dhavani. Yes, it is Sri Gatau which gets the Dhavadesha by Pagradhma, Dhaushiya Sidaha. So it gets the Dhavadesha. Any other questions specifically?
Yes, Amiji.
Yes.
I put that up there on there. I was wondering, can that step be skipped?
Which one?
The Anusvara Sayyai Parasavarnaha, because we would just be using Va.
Yes. Yes. So it can be Sangachadvam with the Ngakara, but when the Ngakara is not there, since it says Va, it is optional.
Right. Right, so you would just skip that step and put in the Va Padantasya.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Rao Mahodaya, do you have a question?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. Okay, so we will move on to Vidhiling Lakara. So if you look at the sutras, as usual, the ladhikara, so you have lingaha here. So linga siyut. So there are 8 sutras which are specifically mentioned for ling lakara. Okay. So from linga siyut, yasut parasmai padeshu datung icha, kidashishi, jhasyaran, ito at sut tithoho, jherjus. As you can see, it doesn't specify which ling. That is, there is no difference between vidhiling or ashirling here. Okay. In this case, both the ling lakaras will get the same karya. But there is a difference in the pratyayas of vidhiling and ashirling because of other sutras. There are some sutras which apply only to the sarvadhatuka ling, and there are cases where there is other changes like guna or samprasarana for ashirling. But basically these sutras, these 6 sutras apply, 6 or 7 sutras apply to both vidhiling and ashirling. But we are looking at the vidhiling lakara now. The first sutra there says lingaha siyut. So lingaha iti shashti, siyut iti prathama, lasya ityadhikaraha. Sutrarthaha spashtaha. Ling lakarasya siyut agamaha syat. Siyut is an agama because it is tit. Titvat adyantau takitau ityanena adyavayavaha bhavati. Siy iti agamaha. Ukaraha uchcharanarthaha takaraha itsamyakaha. Siy iti agamaha. Ling lakarasya sarvesham pratyayanam siyut iti agamaha bhavati. Yatha vand a ta ityasti. Tatra ta iti pratyayasa ling lakarasya pratyayah tasya sthane tasya siyut agame vand a siyut iti rupam bhavati. So this actually should apply to all pratyayas of ling lakara. But the next sutra says yasut parasmai padeshu. So in the parasmai padas there is a different agama called yasut. So therefore effectively siyut agama applies only for the atmane para pratyayas. Atmane padeshu sarvesham pratyayanam siyut iti agamaha bhavati. Lingaha siyut. Yasut parasmai padeshu udattaha nitcha. So parasmai padeshu yasut iti agamaha bhavati. Ling lakarasya saha udattaha, tasya swaraha udattaha, sacha nit bhavati, and it is qualified as a nit pratyaya. Lingaha iti anuvartate, lasya ityadhikaraha. Parasmai padeshu ling lakarasya yasut iti agamaha bhavati, sacha nit. So again, for nit we don't see the prayojana here. We will see that in the other ganas. Path a ti ityasti. Tatra yasut ityatra yas iti agamaha. Ukaraha uchcharanarthaha takaraha itsamyakaha. Path a yas ti. Atmane padeshu siyut, parasmai padeshu yasut. So all pratyayas, all the 9 will get these agamas in ling lakara. The next sutra which says is sut tithoho. Okay. Sut iti prathamaika vachanam, tithoho iti shashti dvivachanam, lingaha iti anuvrittihi, lasya ityadhikaraha. Ling lakarasya takara thakarayoho. Tithoho, the ikara in ti is only for uchcharana, pronunciation. So it is tithoho. Takara thakarayoho ityarthaha. So just to facilitate the pronunciation, there is ikara, it is not intended. So it is not for ti, it is for the takara. So takara thakarayoho sut iti agamaha bhavati. Sut iti sakaragamaha. So everywhere in agamas the last letter is it and the swara is usually for pronunciation. So this is a sakaragama for takara and thakara. Note 2 things. Sudagamaha ubhayoho padayoho bhavati. There is no specification. So sut will apply for both padas. Parasmai pade api bhavati, atmane padeshu api bhavati. Kincha, the yasut and siyut are the agama for the whole pratyaya. पूर्णस्य प्रत्ययस्य यासुट् अथवा सीयुट् आगमः सुडागमस्तु तकारस्य थकारस्य. So both of them can be done. It is not apavada to each other. Okay. So for the pratyaya we do yasut and siyut. If the pratyaya has takara or thakara, we do the sut agama for that letter. Okay. So both of them can apply. Say if you have path a yas ti, now there is takara, so the takara gets sut, so it becomes path a yas sti. And since it is a agama for the takara or thakara, the sut should be added at the beginning of the takara or thakara, not at the beginning of the pratyaya. Say for example, if you have vand a siy atam, atam iti pratyayah, tasya siyudagame siy atam. Now the takara should get sut, so the sut will be added to the beginning of takara, so it becomes astam. You don't add sut at the beginning of the pratyaya, right? So in ti, so both of them are at the beginning because you do the yasut for the pratyaya and sut for the takara. But here it will come in between, so it will be vand a siy astam. Sut tithoho ityanena sut agamaha. So we do two agamas in linglakara. For all parasmaipada pratyayas it is yasut. For all atmanepada pratyayas it is siyut. And in both padas, wherever we find takara or thakara, we add a sakara before it by sut tithoho. See, it is tit, sut is tit, and the tit is makes it adyantau takitau. But kasya adyavayavaha, yasya agamaha uktaha tasya adyantayoho. So takarasya agamaha takarasya adau bhavati. Atrapi takarasya adau. It is not an exception to adyantau takitau. Because it is tit, we are adding to the beginning. But to the beginning of what? Of what is it that gets the agama? Takarasya agamaha ataha takarasya adau bhavati. Yatra pratyayasya agamaha tatra pratyayasya adau bhavati. Iti vyavastha. Okay, clear with yasut, siyut and sut. Now there's one more sutra. Lingaha salopaha anantyasya. So angadhikare asti idam sutram. Lingaha iti shashti, salopaha iti prathama, anantyasya iti punashashti. Sarvadhatuke ityanuvartate, angasya ityadhikaraha. Sarvadhatukalingaha anantyasya sakarasya lopasyat. Sarvadhatukaling, which is the vidhiling, said there is a linga shishi gives an ardhadhatuka samnya to ashirling. So vidhiling is sarvadhatuka, ashirling is ardhadhatuka. Sarvadhatukalingaha, sarvadhatukaha yaha linglakaraha tatra anantyasya sakarasya lopahasyat. Yatra yatra sakaraha anantyah ante nasti tadrishasya sakarasya lopaha bhavati. So we did two agamas here. Patha a yas sti. So there is the sakara of yasut and there is the sakara of sut. Both of them are deleted by lingasalopo anantyasya. So patha a ya ti. Okay, both sakaras are deleted. So similarly, if you look at the vand a siy astam, siyutaha sakaraha lupyate, astam iti sutaha sakaraha api lupyate, vandeta vandeyatam. So we do not hear the sakara of either yasut or siyut or sut in vidhiling. So both these sakaras can be heard in ashirling lakara. Okay, bhuyat bhuyastam bhuyasuhu. So you hear one, and vandishishta vandishiyastam. In vandishishta you hear both sakaras. Okay, the sakara of siyut and the sakara of sut. Okay, so that the sakara will be heard in other cases, but here it will still apply and it will still be deleted. Okay. In vidhiling you don't find you cannot hear the sakara of sut in any form, but still we do it because it is applicable. Okay. So we do yasut or siyut, then we do sut and take away the sakara. Sarvatra yasut athava siyutah punascha sutah sakarah sarvatra lupyate lingassa lopo anantyasya iti sutrena. So इतोप्येकं सूत्रमस्ति अतो येयः. अतः इति पञ्चमी एकवचनं, या इति वस्तुतः षष्ठी, तत्र लुप्तविभक्तिकः निर्देशः इत्युच्यते. सो या इत्यत्र विभक्तिः न श्रूयते. So there are different ways of interpreting this sutra, but anyway, ya is a lupta vibhaktika, so it is actually shashti, which is not heard, and iyaha is prathama. So sarvadhatuke ityanuvartate angasya ityadhikaraha. Adantad angat parasya. So when the anga is adanta, hrasva akaranta, tatah parasya sarvadhatuka avayavasya ya ityasya. So a ya, which is a part of a sarvadhatuka, will get iy as the adesha. Ya ityasya sthane iy ityadeshah bhavati. Okay. Yatha path a ya ti ityasti yasutah ya iti. So we have removed the sakara by lingassa lopo anantyasya. There is ya, it is replaced by iy. Path a iy ti. We have seen this iyadesha earlier in atongitaha. So atongitaha ityatra ato yeyah ityasmadeva anuvartate iy iti. Atra ya ityasya sthane iy ityadeshah sarvadhatuka avayavah. So it is again applicable in vidhiling and only when the anga is adanta. Adantadangat parasya sarvadhatuka avayavasya ya ityasya iyadeshah syat. Okay. So that is these sutras are common for all pratyayas. Yatha sarvesham atmanepada pratyayanam siyudagamah bhavati, sarvesham parasmaipada pratyayanam yasudagamah bhavati, sarvatra parasmaipade atmanepade va yatra yatra takarah thakaro va tatra sudagamah bhavati, sarvesham parasmaipadanam atmanepadanam cha pratyayanam lingassa lopo anantyasya ityanena salopah bhavati, sarvesham parasmaipada pratyayanam yasutah ya ityasya sthane iyadeshah bhavati. So all these are common to all pratyayas of ling lakara. There are a few specific adeshas. If you look at this, so you saw lingas siyut yasut parasmai padeshu udatong icha kidashishi. So kidashishi just says the yasut will be kit in ashirling. It is ngit in vidhiling and kit in ashirling. So the change has different effects. So then there is sut tithohu, which we saw that there is takara or thakara gets the sudagama. There are 3 other sutras in the series which are specific pratyayadeshas. So specific pratyayas get specific adeshas in vidhiling lakara. Jhasya ran. So it's an apavada to jhontaha. Jhontaha ityanena samanyataha jhakarasya antadeshah bhavati. Atra tu jhasya, jha iti purnasya pratyayasya sthane vishishtah adeshah ran iti. So lingaha ityanuvartate lasya ityadhikarah. Ling lakarasya jha ityasya ran adeshah syat. So you have vanda iy jha, jha ityasya sthane ran, vanda iy ran, lopo vyorvali itya lope vande ran, vandeta vandeyatam vande ran. So jha is replaced by ran. Itaha at. Itaha iti shashti ekavachanam, at iti prathama. So lingaha lasya ityasti, ling lakarasya itaha, it iti yaha pratyayah idvahimahi, tasya it pratyayasya sthane akaradeshah bhavati. So the e is replaced by a. Vanda iy e, it becomes vanda iy a. Itaha sthane at iti hrasva akaraha adeshah vandeya iti rupam. So jhasya ran ito at jher jus. So the jhi, jhehe iti shashti ekavachanam, jhi ityasya shashti, जुस् इति प्रथमा लिङ्गः लस्य लिङ्लकारस्य झि इत्यस्य जुस् आदेशः भवति जुस् इत्यत्र जकारस्य चुटु इत्यनेन इत्संज्ञा लोपः उस् इति श्रूयते पठ इय झि पठ इय उस् पठेयुः पठेत् पठेतां पठेयुस् ऋत्वं विसर्गः पठेयुः. So there are three adeshas specific to ling lakara. Jher jus jhasya ran. So in parasmaipada we hear us, in atmanepada we hear ran, ito at, and it is replaced by akara. There are three specific adeshas for ling lakara. So summing up the prakriya for vidhiling lakara in parasmaipada. So for all pratyayas, the first thing we do is Yasut parasmaipadeshu udahatto ngiccha. So you get yas and pratyaya. Next, sut tithoho. If the pratyaya has takara or takara, we do the sut agama. So there are four pratyayas. Ti, tas, thas, tha. So in these four cases we have sut. So there is yas, ti, it becomes yas, s, ti. Yas, s, tas. Yas, s, thas. Yas, s, tha. Okay. So we do yasut and then we do sut. Tataha lingasalopo anantyasya ityanena sarvatra anantyasya sakarasya lopaha. So everywhere the sakara of yasut is deleted and the sakara of sut is also deleted. Okay. So you have ya remaining. Tatsya atoyeyaha ityanena ya ityasya sthane iy iti adeshaha. Since the anga is always adanta in case of the bhadigana, so we replace ya with iy, it becomes iy. So what happens once we do all these four, everywhere we have iy plus pratyaya. So in all 9 we have the form iy plus the pratyaya. We have done yasut, sut, deleted the sakaras and replaced ya with iy. Okay. So everywhere we have this iy plus pratyaya. Idanim pratyayadeshaha. We do the adesha for the pratyaya. There is one specific for ling lakara, which is jher jus. Jhi is replaced by jus. Yeah, that is specific for ling lakara. In other cases, we do whatever is given for the ngit lakara. Ngit lakarasya yadyaduktam tat sarvam atrapi bhavati. So whatever we did for lang lakara, 3 sutras, nityam ngitaha, itascha and tasthasthamipam tam tam tamaha will apply here also. Okay. So you have iy and a modified form of the pratyaya by one of these. And the last step, we do lopo vyorvali. Wherever the pratyaya begins with a consonant, we delete the yakara. Haladau, valadau pratyaye pare iy ityatra yakarasya lopaha. Okay, so the yakara is deleted. That is why you have it, itam, iyuhu. If the pratyaya is ajadi, as in case of us, we hear the yakara iy, us, iyus. If it is haladi, the yakara is deleted everywhere. It, itam, iyuhu, ihi, itam, ita, iyam, i-am. So since it is i-am, it is iyam, iva, ima. So these, the first 4 steps are common for all pratyayas. Yasut parasmaipadeshu udatto ngiccha, sut tithoho, lingasalopo anantyasya and atoyeyaha. Once you reach this iy plus pratyaya, we modify the pratyaya itself and then wherever applicable, lopo vyorvali. So in this, I am starting everywhere with the iy, ti. Okay, so there is ti. Yasut parasmaipadeshu udatto ngiccha, it becomes yas, ti. Sut tithoho, yas, s, ti. Lingasalopo anantyasya, ya, ti. Atoyeyaha, iy, ti. So from iy, ti, itascha iti ikarasya lope iy, t. Lopo vyorvali iti yalope it is the prathama purusha ekavachana pratyaya. So iy, tas. Tas thas thamipam tam tam tamaha, iy, tam. Lopo vyorvali itam. Iy jhi, jher jus. So iy jus, jusi jakarasya chutu iti itsamya tasya lopah. Iy us, sasajashoruhu, iyur kharvasanayor visarjaniyah, iyuhu. It itam iyuhu. Iy si, itascha, iy s, lopo vyorvali is. The yakara goes, then there is sasajashoruhu kharvasanayor visarjaniyah, ihi. So iy thas, we remove the yakara. I mean, we do tas tas tamipam tam tam tamaha and remove the yakara. It becomes itam, ihi, itam, ita. So thakara is replaced by ta. Iy mi, tas tas tamipam tam tam tamaha, iy iyam. Iy vas. So there is nityang itaha, so the sakara goes iy va, lopo vyorvali iva. And mas, iy mas. So there is yakara lopa and sakara lopa, ima. This should be ima. There is a typing error. Iyam iva ima. It itam iyuhu. Ihi itam ita. Iyam iva ima. So these are the parasmaipada pratyayas. Atmane tu linga siyut. All pratyayas get siyut as the agama. Sut tithohu. द्वयोः प्रत्ययोः सुडागमः भवति. आताम् इत्यत्र तकारस्य, आथाम् इत्यत्र थकारस्य. So it becomes astam and astham because sut is added before the ta or tha. So siy astam, siy astham. लिङ्गस्य लोपो अनन्त्यस्य इत्यनेन सीयुटः सकारस्य सुटः सकारस्य च लोपः. Okay. So now you end up with iy and the pratyaya. So in siy sakara goes, so we have iy and the pratyaya remains. So in this stage we do the pratyayadesha. There are only two. Jhasya ran. Jha is replaced by ran and ito at. E is replaced by a. So only these two are the pratyayadeshas. There is no other pratyayadesha because even in lang lakara you see that there is no change in the atmanepada pratyayas. There is nothing which is specified for a ngit lakara in atmanepada. So only these two which are specified for ling lakara will operate. So once you do that, lopo vyorvali. If the pratyaya starts with val, we delete the yakara. Otherwise the yakara remains. Iy ta lopo vyorvali ityanena yakara lope ita. Iy atam, iyatam. Iy ran, jhasya ran, lopo vyorvali itya lope iran. Ita, iyatam, iran. Ithaha, iy thas, so lopo vyorvali ithas, sasajushoruhu kharvasanayor visarjaniyah, ithaha. Iyatham. Iyudhvam, lopo vyorvali idhvam. Iy I, ito at. So we get iy a, iya. Iy vahi, yalopaha, ivahi. Iy mahi, yalopaha, imahi. Ita iyatam, iran. Ithaha, iyatham, idhvam. Iya, ivahi, imahi. Remember the ikara is hrasva in parasmaipada. It, itam, iyuhu. And dirgha in atmanepada. Ita, iyatam, iran. Okay. Any questions? So clear with the ling lakara. So the new sutras we studied were lingaha siyut. Ling lakarasya siyut agamaha bhavati. Yasut parasmaipadeshu udattaha ngicca. परस्मैपदेषु लिङ्लकारस्य सर्वेषां प्रत्ययानां यासुट् इति आगमः भवति. कित् आशिषि स च यासुडागमः आशीर्लिङि कित् भवति. झस्य रन् लिङ्लकारे झ इत्यस्य स्थाने रन् इति आदेशः. इटः अत् लिङ्लकारे इट् प्रत्ययस्य स्थाने अत् अकारादेशः. सुट् तिथोः लिङ्लकारस्य लकारथकारयोः सुट् आगमः. झेर् जुस् लिङ्लकारे झि इत्यस्य स्थाने जुस् इत्यादेशः. So in this series, in the ladhikara, these are the karyas which are specified for ling lakara. In addition, we have linga salopaha anantyasya. In sarvadhatuka ling, the sakara which is not at the end is deleted, and there is ato yeyaha. In sarvadhatuka lakara, if the anga is adanta, the ya is replaced by y. Okay. So those two are the other sutras. Okay. So we will stop here. There will be an exercise on similar lines for Vidhiling Lakara. With this we have completed deriving the forms of Bhadigana, all dhatus of Bhadigana in all these 4 lakaras. So we will do a recap next week, and after that we will move on to the dhatus of other ganas. Okay, those will be much quicker, because the main part in this is the deriving the pratyayas. I think that itself took us 4, 5 or 6 weeks. Okay, that's once we learn it, it is the same for other ganas. Even if the anga is not adanta, there are minor changes. Okay, so this is the basic of the derivation of pratyayas of these 4 lakaras. So we'll be repeating it throughout all ganas. Okay, so there is not much here. The other ganas hopefully will be much quicker. Okay. There's one question. Okay, so very important notice. So Ravichandranji reminds us that for people who are in the USA, there will be a timing change. From next week, you will have to log in 1 hour early for the class. Okay. Any questions? Okay, there are a couple of questions. So, yeah, I'll correct the chart for the typing error. Yes. And yeah, Harinarayan says it should be 1 hour later or early. I'm not sure. I don't know, because for me it will still be 5:30. So I guess it is for you all 1 hour later. Okay, fine. One more question. How can one join this class? I'm not sure I understood the question. Aruna, Magini? Aruna, what was your question?
Some people are interested. Some people wanted to join these classes.
They just have to
register.
You just have to first register in the Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala. So there is one link for attending the webinars. So you have to register for the webinar using that link.
They registered into the Vyoma, but they didn't know how to.
Yeah, there's a link. Just send me an email. I can send you the link for the webinar.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay, then thank you all.